In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to time our closed captioning and subtitles to shot changes using Closed Caption Creator. Here I have a project already open in Closed Caption Creator. The first step is to identify all shot changes by going to the AI Tools menu and selecting Detect Shot Changes. The medium setting will do a good job for most content. If you find the shot change tool is detecting too few or too many shot changes, feel free to adjust your selection. Shot changes will populate in the Markers tab of the Quick Tool panel, as well as on the timeline as red markers. Next, go to the Format menu and select Snap to Shot Changes. The Shot Change window will appear. Here you can select the event gap, shot change offset, and tolerance for the start and end times. For example, if we want to snap events to shot changes within 1 second, we would update the tolerance values to be 1. Some clients may request that caption events avoid shot changes by a certain number of frames. Set the shot change offset so that events avoid shot changes. Click the Apply button once you are ready. You should notice right away using the timeline that events have been synced to shot changes. If you prefer to edit event times manually, you can enable Snap to Shot Changes in the editor settings. Now, when adjusting event times in the timeline, the start and end handles will snap to the shot change markers. To sign up for Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.